In a vibrant jungle teeming with life, there lived a unique and intelligent macaw named Maracuja. Known for his radiant plumage and quick wit, Maracuja was admired by all the creatures of the jungle. One day, a great drought struck the jungle, causing the river to dry up. The animals struggled for water, and Maracuja knew he had to help. He remembered an ancient tale about a hidden spring deep within the jungle, but the tale was vague and the path was unclear. Maracuja embarked on his journey, encountering numerous challenges along the way. He crossed treacherous rivers, climbed steep mountains, and navigated through dense forests. Each obstacle tested his intelligence and resilience, but he persevered. At last, he arrived at a clearing where a small cave was hidden. Inside the cave, he found a map that led to the hidden spring. Excited, Maracuja followed the map, and after several more hours of travel, he found the spring. The spring was a sight to behold, bubbling up from the ground with crystal clear water. Maracuja quickly returned to his home, sharing the life-giving water with his fellow jungle inhabitants. The animals were grateful, and Maracuja was hailed as a hero. But Maracuja was humble. He knew he had only followed the path set before him, and it was the wisdom of the ancient tale that guided him. From that day on, Maracuja became a symbol of hope and wisdom in the jungle. His story served as a reminder that sometimes, the answers we seek are hidden in the wisdom of the past, and that perseverance and intelligence can overcome even the most daunting challenges. The end.